This video recording is going to be fun. I am sitting in a car and it's night, it's dark, and I just thought of talking about joins. Now, when you write your T-SQL code, I'm sure you have used a lot of joins at different times. You might have used inner join, equi-join, non-equi-join, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, semi-join, anti-semi-join, and there are just so many of them. These are all different types of logical joins. So the word here is logical. For the purpose of business functionality and the kind of result set that you want, you use these logical joins. But when your query is submitted to SQL Server, SQL Optimizer, the engine has to join the inputs that you have specified in your query, the tables. It will use one of the three physical join operators, which is nested loop join, the merge join, and the hash join. So nested loop join, merge join, and hash join are the physical operators, which means in practical way of how the SQL Optimizer is actually going to join the two inputs. So nested loop join is kind of seen most frequently when you see the execution plan in SQL Server Management Studio or in Azure Data Studio. Most frequently you will see the nested loop join, and that's the simplest way of joining two input sets. And there is no condition or there's no criteria. You just give two inputs and the algorithm will join them. The merge join has two criteria. Both the inputs should be sorted, and there has to be an equality operator between the join operator should be an equality operator. So these are the two criteria to be met, and then the optimizer might consider the merge join operator. The last one is hash join, which builds the hash tables inside memory. And there's only one criteria, that there has to be an equality operator for the join condition. The inputs need not be sorted, and hash does the heavy lifting. So these are the three physical mechanisms on how two inputs can be joined in SQL Server: nested loop join, merge join, and hash join. And this is the difference between the logical join versus the physical join. When you are evaluating execution plans, or rather when you're exploring execution plans and you take the cursor over the join operator, the nested physical or the nested hash or merge, you will be able to see in the tooltip which was the logical join operator and which one was the physical join operator that was used. Hope this was helpful.